you have seen on websites, Jennifer's Coffee, Jennifer's Coffee. Some of you have not known the Jennifer whom they mean. I'm the one. My name is Jennifer. I'm a coffee farmer from Uganda on the slopes of Mount Elgon. I own a cooperative of 300 farmers whereby I'm the vice chair and I'm the first woman in that role of chairing the organization. I'm really happy with it. This afternoon I've been speaking about the event. I was with Minister Lee Waters and I was talking about coffee. As a fair trade farmer, I was talking about fair trade and climate change. How fair trade is intermarrying climate change. Fair trade has made a difference in my community because some time back we were just selling our coffee to middlemen who were cheating us. But when I joined fair trade in 2008, I've seen that it has helped farmers. Now we are partnering with the Welsh government, which is supporting us in planting trees. We are planting those trees in our coffee farms to hold the soil not to be flowing every time whenever there is heavy rain. It's now in the shops of Wales, and if you need to get it, you Google Jennifer's Coffee.